Stormwatch 12 weather with meteorologist Sarah Kress.
Today we're expecting another scorching hot day, a high of 104 in Medford. Over into Klamath Falls, a high of 93. Now on the west side, that's about 16 degrees above average for this time of year. And over into Klamath Falls, it might seem cooler, but that's still 11 degrees above average for what you should be feeling this time of year. Now, yesterday we did add a triple-digit tally to our marks for the year. We're now up to 21 days in the triple digits into Medford, and we'll definitely be adding one as we're heading into this afternoon, evening hours. However, it is going to be rather hot today across the region, but the west side, you'll be feeling the heat a little bit more. We do have a heat advisory issued from noon today until 10 p.m. tomorrow. It is going to be very hot outside, so remember, you're just aware of those heat-related illnesses, taking breaks when you need it, taking a lot of water with you, and finding the AC when you can. Now, besides the heat today, we are tracking smoky conditions. We will be seeing a lot of smoke into the Klamath Basin as well as over on the west sides, just like we saw yesterday, periods of smoke and haze throughout the region. That'll be one of our other concerns for today will be the air quality. As we're waking up this morning, though, we'll see a lot of that smoke settled into the Klamath Basin, especially near Klamath Falls. As we head through the day by lunchtime, we'll see a lot of widespread smoke across the region. We'll be seeing some very hazy skies as well along the coast. And as we head home from work, we'll still be seeing those smoky conditions improving slightly as we head into the afternoon hours. But again, as we head back into the overnight, we'll likely see that smoke settling right back in. Now, the next few days into the Rogue Valley, like I said, we're tracking heat today and we're tracking heat tomorrow. And as we head into Saturday, we'll be cooling down slightly, but 98 doesn't seem that cool. But as we head into next week, we'll be seeing temperatures back down into the lower 80s, and Wednesday seeing your highs possibly into the 70s. We're tracking another system that's making its way through, rather fall-like, and it's also bringing the potential for some precipitation into our region. We'll have more details as we move closer into next week. But let's go ahead and take a look at your 7-day for the coast. Warm the next few days into the 70s. Saturday and Sunday will be cooling down a bit. Now over into Northern California, tracking some heat Thursday and Friday, pretty warm. Breezy conditions as that next system as well. Over into the Klamath Basin, smoke and haze will be concerned the next few days, as well as air quality. Heading into Saturday and Sunday, cooling down slightly, and we'll be back into the 70s by next week. Over into the mountains, your highs over the next few days in the upper 80s. Cooling down on Saturday, still tracking the potential for those thunderstorms as well. Cooling down into next week and back over into the Rogue Valley. Very hot the next 2 days. Saturday and Sunday still pretty warm, but Monday we're back down to close to average temperatures for this time of year.